In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect OBS to OmeTV. Now, open OBS Studio and in the bottom right corner, click the Start Virtual Camera button. This activates OBS as a virtual webcam that can be detected by OmeTV or any video calling platforms. In the Sources panel, right-click and select Add, then go to Video Capture Device. Give it a name, then click OK, and select your webcam from the list and click OK again. Resize or position the feed within your OBS canvas as desired. Now, go to Settings, Virtual Camera. Ensure output type is set to default, then click OK to save your changes. Some custom setups like overlays or animated effects may require additional OBS files or plugins. Just download them from the trusted OBS plugin website, then restart OBS. Now open your web browser and go to OmeTV. If you see a camera access denied message, click the three dots in the top right corner of your browser, then go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings, Camera. Then select the correct camera. It should say something like OBS Virtual Camera or USB 2.0 HD. If OmeTV is still showing the wrong camera, disable Others. On Windows, open Device Manager, expand the camera section, then right-click on the built-in laptop camera or external webcams, select Disable Device, and restart your computer. And that's it, guys. As simple as that.